Hello and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Jen and I do all sorts of clothing unboxing videos from shopping hauls to styling services, and the styling services vary from the popular Stitch Fix to much lesser well-known boxes, but regardless, I love clothes, I love shopping. So if you're interested in those type of things, please subscribe below. For those returning viewers, thank you guys so much for your support, your comments, the fact that you come back. Thank you guys. Now, new background. Now this is not the permanent background. This is my husband and I are working on setting up one of our rooms to be a studio room because right now it's been a junk room. So let's get rid of the junk, let's make it a studio so I don't have to constantly set up and tear down my equipment when I'm filming these videos. So there will be stuff on the wall at some point. I think my husband and I are doing some shopping tonight, but I can't wait to film this video. But I got a new chair, I got new lights, and at some point I'm getting a new camera. I just can't figure out which camera to get yet. So hopefully you guys will bear with me as I get a new setup. Hopefully the video quality will improve. Sound, I think we're gonna get a microphone. We're doing this up right. Exciting stuff. You'll probably still see some videos of me in my bedroom because I post these videos out of order sometimes. So bear with me. I already said that, but I say it again, please bear with me as I'm getting my setup figured out. Hopefully these videos get better. So friends, today I am doing a, does it say it on the side of the box? Yes, a Trendsend unboxing video. If you're not familiar with Trendsend, they send you, what I've typically said is 2 to 3 styled outfits, but I saw Terry's channel from Southern Yankee that she reached out to Trendsend after noticing getting a couple of only 2 outfits, and they said that they are only doing 2 outfits now. So I should have 2 fully styled outfits in here. There's no styling fee. It's sent to you by a store called Evereve, which, by the way, I went to the store for the first time last week. There's one literally like 2 miles away from my house, and they're actually the ones who have put my last 2 styling boxes together, so I think that's pretty cool. If I do find myself having any special requests at some point, I'm just gonna, I need new scissors. I'm just literally gonna just walk into the store and be like, hey, is my stylist here? Let's have a conversation. I mean, right now I really have nothing to say to her, other than, hey, thanks, good job, but I'm excited that if I do have any special requests or whatnot, since Trendsend doesn't really seem to have a place to put stylist notes or anything like that other than your style profile. So I'll be able to go in and just straight up talk to whoever styles my box. So I think that's pretty cool. Okay, I think that's the gist of it. So you get paperwork in here, so this will be my prices and my notes on each outfit. Let's go ahead and go through the bundles. So first bundle here, I just see some denim and some stripes, it looks like. Let's go ahead and dig into that. Alright, so the striped shirt, it's just a black and white striped sweater, which I do love stripes. It does have a black line down the back, a little bit of a drop shoulder on it here, but I think that is cute, and this is by Stitches and Stripes. And then we have a pair of jeans by Agolde, A-G-O-L-D-E, Agolde, Los Angeles Premium. Nice, soft, stretchy feeling jeans, and they're just a straight, they look high-waisted, so that's great. They're just a skinny jean, which is very cute. I will read the stylist note on each outfit as I open them up, so let me open that real quick. Okay, so outfit 1, she says, style your Marina striped sweater by doing a front tuck to elongate your legs and to tailor your waistline. Pair it with a Sophie high-rise crop and some slides. Okay, cool. Next outfit. I am going to get a table too because I'm leaning down and dropping and it's just kind of messy. Okay, I do have 3 bundles, so maybe I'm wrong about the whole 2 outfit thing. Okay, here it looks like a striped shirt and some sort of blue sweater. Let's dig into that. Okay, so we just have a nice I think that's a navy stripe on it, so white and navy stripe blouse. And there appears to be some sort of tie here in the front, so that'll probably add some waist definition there. It looks pretty big, but I think it's just kind of meant to be loose and oversized. Ooh, and this is a sweater. Oh, there's that braided back, like my mustard cardigan I got from Stitch Fix that I'm obsessed with. And this is just basically like a navy version of that sweater. It's probably a little bit chunkier, a little bit thicker. So hopefully this one fits as well, because I am all about stocking up on cardigans right now. I'm really happy that cardigans are in style because I think they're great. Stylist note on outfit 2. So that was the Allison Joy Miller tie top and the Stitches and Stripes lace back cardigan. She said, your new Miller tie top is a great piece that can transition from work to happy hour. Style it with your denim from outfit number 1. If it is chilly, you can layer with the lace back cardigan for a cozy feel. Okay, great. And then we are on outfit 3. And I see some more denim and I think a black top, so let's dig in there. Okay, the black top, this is kind of a t-shirt-ish material. Does have a little bit of a rounded hem, and then the sleeve has a flutter on it. I'm not a huge flutter sleeve person, but I don't really have any black tops that are, I think I have one long sleeve black top, but I don't even have any that are 3/4 sleeve, so I definitely have a need for a top like this. So I'm excited to give that a try. And then, ooh, some green skinny pants. I've been interested in some green skinny pants recently because that's literally, I feel like, the only type of pant I don't already have. So there's a zipper here in the bottom of the pant, and it's just a skinny. This is by Sanctuary. Feels really nice, a little bit of stretch to it, so I really like those. Hopefully those will fit. Okay, so that was outfit number 3, and my stylist says this fast track chino will complement your body shape by tailoring in your waistline and providing structure to the body. Complete the look with your sleek jersey ruffle tee, finished with some heeled booties and accessories. So the Fast Track Chino, I think I already mentioned that was Sanctuary. The sleek jersey ruffle tee, that's by Z Supply. Okay, guys, let's try on these clothes. I really like everything they sent, so thank you to the ladies at the Evereve store. Outfit number 1, we have this sweater that is the front tuck into the skinny jeans. The sweater is supposed to be probably a bit casual and oversized. These sleeves are a little bit long, but I think it's probably supposed to look kind of bulky or whatnot, and this is what it looks like from behind. So I like the sweater. I don't know that I'm over the moon on it. I'm kind of not really that into kind of the bigger oversized sweaters, but I don't know. The jeans, they fit great. I really have no complaints about these jeans, other than I just really don't need any other just regular skinny jeans. If I do buy any, I think most of them I'm going to buy are going to be kind of the curvy fit, because I like the waistband on those and how they come in. These always have a bit of extra, although this isn't too bad. But they are a good length, so I appreciate that. But I don't know. I like both of these items. I don't know if I love either of these. So let's go to our next outfit. Okay, next up we have this striped shirt and the cardigan. So starting with the cardigan, it's just a bit big on me. The whole thing just feels big. I love the lace back look, even though I do already have that in my mustard cardigan. So I love the style of the cardigan, but again, I think it's meant to be kind of a chunkier, bigger cardigan, and that's just okay. Now this striped shirt, I didn't really know, it kind of has this cinch front here that you can tie, and I wasn't sure how much to do that in, so I did cinch it quite a bit to try to give it a little bit more definition. I like it okay underneath the cardigan because it kind of gets it to lay flat, but by itself, I'm just not a fan. These sleeves are like big balloon type sleeves, or maybe they're just baggy blouse sleeves. And then this just kind of sticks out like this, and there it is from behind. By itself, not great. Liked it on the cardigan, but don't really love either of these. So hopefully the third outfit will be the winner for me. Okay, so I will definitely say that the third outfit is my favorite outfit. The shirt, I feel like it fits well. Usually I'm not a fan of this type of ruffle, but I think it's a cute touch. I like the rounded hems, and it kind of comes up here on the sides, and I think that's a cute detail. So I really like this shirt, so if the price is right, I probably will be keeping it. The pants, I think are very cute. They fit very, very well. They're probably more of a mid-rise to them, but I think they're flattering on the booty, and they are a great length. There's no roll required, which wouldn't really work with a zipper anyways. So let me do a little front tuck here and see how that looks. So yes, I really like this outfit. So the third one's the best one for me. But let's go over the prices and see what I can actually afford. Okay, to finish off my stylist note, she says, "Hi Jennifer, it's Trendsend time again. I had so much fun picking out these outfits for your box. These says pieces are a great bargain deal and will make great additions to your wardrobe. Please let me know in your feedback forum your thoughts on your selection, whether it be about a fit or size exchange. Enjoy your new pieces." And this is by Minerva O. So thank you, Minerva O. I appreciate you. Now, prices. From outfit number 1, we had the Sophie high-rise crop by Agolde, and it is usually, the original price is $148, it is on sale for $130, and I do have a 20% discount, so I get it for $104. By the way, I forgot to mention that if somebody uses your referral, you get a 20% discount on your box, which is amazing. So Mary Diaz, thank you so much for using my referral. This 20% off is brought to me by you, so thank you so much. If anybody else wants to try Trendsend, there's a link in the description, so feel free to give it a try yourself. There's no styling fee. So, okay, next up we have the Marina striped sweater is by Stitches and Stripes. It is originally $78 on sale for $60, and I get it for $48. So you guys know my thoughts. I liked both of these, but I wasn't super excited about either of them. So since I'm not excited, I will not be keeping these. From outfit number 2, we have this lace back cardigan. It is by Stitches and Stripes, and it is normally $78, but with my 20% off discount, I get it for $62.40. Again, it was just a little bit big, so I just wasn't super excited about it, not keeping that. And then we have the Miller tie top, I believe that's what this is, by Allison Joy. And it is originally $68 on sale for $55, and then with my 20% off, it is $44. Little too bulky around the middle for me. I didn't really love the big old sleeves on them either, so not keeping this. Now, with what I have on, this top here, this is the sleek jersey ruffle tee, and it is $46, but with my discount, I get it for $36.80. And then the pants that I have on, they are $99, and with my 20% off, I get them for $79.20. So I think I will be thinking about these pants a little bit, because that's more than I don't usually end up paying $80 for pants. They are sanctuary, so these are pretty much your standard sanctuary prices for pants. I don't know if I love them enough to pay that $80. This shirt's definitely a keeper. I'm leaning towards keeping the whole outfit, but could use your guys' opinion on this. I'll use your guys' opinion on the whole box, because I love to hear what people are thinking. But regardless, I thought it was a fun box. I liked everything. There was nothing that I really disliked. I had a lot of fun trying these pieces on. Again, with Trendsend, I love that they send you the styled outfits because it's fun to see how they fit pieces together, because I am not a stylist and I can use all the help I can get on that. So thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you're interested in trying Trendsend, there's a referral link below. If you have not subscribed, then please subscribe below. And if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Okay, we'll see you in the next video. All right, thanks. Bye.